Hello guys! Another Lazada finds, and for today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng weighing scale from General Master. So, nabili namin siya for only 440 pesos sa mismong shop ng General Master. Anyway, ilalagay ko yung link down below guys para sa mga interested din mamili ng weighing scale na ito. So, namili kami ni Habi ng weighing scale nito kasi gusto naming ma-monitor yung body weight namin. So guys, it is a mechanical weighing scale and merong two available colors sa product na to, gray and cream. Pero yung binili namin is color cream. Anyway guys, ang capacity ng weighing scale na ito is 130 kilograms. So, ito na nga na-open na ni Habi. And like I said earlier, ang pinili namin color is color cream. Ang ganda-ganda ng color cream. Sobrang linis. Yun nga lang, syempre, pag gagamitin nyo na, make it sure na malinis yung paan ninyo para hindi naman madumihan ang inyong weighing scale. So, I like the color cream kasi sobrang linis niya talagang tignan, guys. All product description guys are written at the back of the box. Ayan. So, makikita niyo yung features niya, care of scales, and so on. Ayan. Nandyan lahat siya guys. Complete yung description niya. By the way guys, this weighing scale is made of metal. Ayan. So, yun yung adjustan niya. I-adjust mo siya doon. So, yung pinaka-top niya naman, it is made of rubber. So, quality rin ang ganda. Sobrang ganda rin tong nabili naming weighing scale ni Habi. So, yeah. Yun lang. Lagay ko na lang yung link below for those who are interested na mamili ng weighing scale nito. So, ayun lang. Bye! God bless!